Good morning, my name is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. I have a small Roof Maxx dealership out of Beloit, Wisconsin, and I thought I'd film a quick video, show a little bit about how we do roof cleaning and what we've done in the past and what we've learned with some of the roof cleaning products. So in this video, if you're a Roof Maxx dealer and you're trying to figure out how to get the shingles cleaned the easiest way, we've tried it all. So I first started as a soft washer, cleaning siding, and then I got into roofs, and I wasn't convinced that applying chlorine or sodium hypochlorite to shingles was a good idea. So I tried the percarbonate, basically the oxygen-based bleach cleaner, and man, I had a lot of struggles doing roof cleaning that way. And I educated myself a little bit more about soft washing. Not to get into a debate about why it's good or bad, but it has increased my productivity and my speed. Right now I'm doing a batch mix right now. I got 3 100-gallon tanks back here. Right here is my bulk sodium hypochlorite, and then I have a special tank for wet and forget, and then my Roof Maxx. I don't like to use spray and forget, more or less just because the company has been sold and gone through a lot of people's hands, and it's extremely difficult to buy the stuff. And I can't buy it in bulk. Wet and forget, still working on buying that in bulk. But essentially when I give somebody a quote to clean a roof, I'll do like wet and forget, or get it soft washed, or then do the the Roof Maxx and soft wash. This is kind of like my priming area here. I got the 2 12-volt pumps back here. I can choose where to draw my chemical from and prime the pump with this. Right now I'm sending the solution into my mix tank there and making sure that I got the proper mix for my soft wash. Behind me here, we got the roof here we're about to wash, and I like to use 5.5 or 8.5 gallon a minute pressure washer. That way you get a high volume of water. So any questions you have, don't hesitate to let me know. I'm sure I'm leaving a lot out in this video, but when you use the percarbonate and you use a pressure washer, I just want to make sure that you use soft wash tips. If anybody is watching this video, alright, so the 2 tips on the one on the right here and one on the end, these are low pressure soft wash tips. The 2 in the middle are high pressure tips. Please don't ever use those on a shingled roof, even if you're holding it up high off the roof. And you want to use a high volume of water. So if you have anything less than 5 gallon a minute, you're really just wasting your time. You need to get up to 8. I got a 200-gallon buffer tank back there. So just switch from water to sodium hypochlorite. You can damage a lot of roofs by using high pressure on shingles. So please educate yourself on high volume of water pressure washers with the low pressure tips, not high pressure tips. Thanks.